But here we have the Oculus. Hey guys, today I want to go and unbox the Oculus Quest 2. I already opened it here, so it's easier. So yeah, get this package. It's quite heavy. All introductions, and that is the back, and it's already like the preview of games. Some of the games you can play. There are hundreds and thousands of more. Okay, let's go and open it. For that, you go push the top round cover thing to the side like that. Okay, so now you have your package, and it's pretty easy. You just get this up. There we go. You get introductions about the controller, the glasses, well, the VR headset, and how you can put it on, adjust it. So what you get in this package is 2 controllers, left, right. This here with the buttons and stuff, with a controller. So you hold like that, and got a button here, got a button there. So also this is for security. You get it on your hands and tie it up, of course. So yeah, we got these both controllers. Then we have the introduction thing. You open it and you get the introductions. There, introductions, question stuff. So you can read all that if you want to. Then we have the charger and the cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable, but I must say this is not long. You can see already in the way I can measure it. Alright guys, I measured it. It's 1 meter long. So yeah, just get a converter to inch. So you get that. And here we have the glass also, this little thing. I need that for my glasses. It's a spacer. If I don't use it, my glasses will be touch the lenses. Can get this between there. But here we have the Oculus. Here's a strap and the lenses. You can adjust these by just pushing them outwards or inwards. How you can go and see. These are flexible. And yeah, so that's that. That's it. Beautiful Oculus. They have all these sensors here. Power button, and this is the audio volume. Here you have the charging pad and 4 headphones. So yeah, that's that. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Give you a quiet overview about what's in this box. So if you consider buying an Oculus Quest 2, you will go and get all these. Please think about the charging cable. It's just 1 meter. I don't know how many inches it is. Maybe write it down. Get an extra run, because if the battery runs out, you can use it wireless, but if it's run out, it's So get a cable connected. Always try to wire it with the PC. Make sure your PC has a USB-C plug. You can see it on your, I think it's motherboard. That's a USB-C. Use it for the most phones. If you liked this video, please give it a like and comment below if you have a VR headset. Comment below which one. If you enjoyed it, maybe write down some games. If you want to see more about this, I will gonna upload some more about VR, well, Oculus Quest 2, and maybe VR. I'll have a look. I will upload some more videos, tutorials, maybe hacks, I have no idea, tips and tricks. Let me know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, there's a lot of tutorials about Adobe Suite, Photoshop Premiere Pro, After Effects, so many. I make TikToks, tutorials, tips, tricks, hacks, growth, whatever. Subscribe to my channel. I hope I see you there. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.